video, but today I'm here to do a quick little skincare video. So the picture you saw in my what's it called, my thumbnail, it was me when I had to take my cap and gown scene pictures, and my face was breaking out before my scene pictures, but I was wearing makeup in my scene pictures. But the thing that I did to have help my skin was two things like almost everybody has in their household, which is coffee and honey. So let me get it real quick. See? Coffee and honey. That's it. Like, you can use cinnamon honey. Like, it's really, like, cinnamon helps with acne, and then the honey also helps with acne. Coffee, it helps with tightening and firming the skin and making it brighter. So here's my little mixture right here. I use this all the time. So yeah, this is the consistency you will have. You need about like 1 tablespoon coffee and like 2 tablespoons of honey. So I guess I'll put this on my face now. So don't mind it like dropping on you, because it will drop. See, it just dropped on me. So I'm putting this on my face before I go to work, because I like my face to, you know, feel clean. It does exfoliate your face also. So if you do this, make sure to put a towel under you, or under you will I don't know, just put a towel somewhere because it gets really messy. Just put that there. I'll leave this one about like 10-15 minutes. I was trying to put too much because it does get everywhere. And if you do this, I wash mine off in the shower. I don't do it in the sink because it does get like really messy when you wash it off in the sink. And you can't put this on your lips. Where are you getting? Okay. That was my mama. She's talking about she's getting water. Oh, can you give me some fries and some stickers? Mama, I'm doing a video. But I can't.
Why not?
Cause I'm doing it right now.
What? Excuse her. She don't need to be recording while she wants some fries.
I just need fries and stickers.
Who?
Fries and stickers.
Where am I gonna get some damn stickers from?
From the Family Dollar.
Oh.
You not errand boy. I just need stickers and fries. Okay, that's enough. What? I just need alphabet stickers. A B C D E F G. Them kind of stickers. But yes. That's all I do for right now. I gotta go to the store when I get paid and give me some more stuff. Another good mask to do is turmeric and honey. The turmeric does help with acne, and if you do turmeric and coconut oil for your teeth, it whitens your teeth also. Yeah, it's really, so I'm gonna leave this on about 10 minutes, and I'm coming back. I'm gonna show you guys my face. So I'm gonna get like really close so you can see how it looks. It is on my lips. It's like a big chunk. It's tasty though, tasty. Yeah, I should show y'all my face before I started. But as you can see, like right here, I didn't put none right here because I don't want to mess up my edges. I did them pretty good today. It's like, it's mostly clear, and it's been really helping with keeping my skin looking nice and bright, and making me look less sleepier, because I've been having problems sleeping lately, so this really has been helping me and all that. So I'll be back when the 10 minutes are up, yeah, because I don't want to be just sitting here waiting until 10 minutes is up. So yeah. Oh, dang girl. If it does get in your teeth, like, it's just coffee and honey. Like, don't be scared to swallow. Just don't let it get in your eye. Like, it got in my eye once and it hurt a lot. It hurt a lot. But yeah, 10 minutes, like the little beauty gurus. And I'll be back. So I'm back. There's redness because my skin, you know, sensitive. My marks. See, still got coffee a little bit on my face. But like, do you see? It's really tight. And like, it makes my face glow. And it's like, it really helps. But I didn't put it on my eyes, but it really helps tighten the skin. So now I'm going to put on my TATCHA beauty stuff. I said stuff. It's too bright. It's trash day. Don't mind them. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put on my TATCHA Affirming Deep Hydration Firming Eye Serum. Okay, this stuff is expensive, but it really helps. Made my eyes look a whole lot better. It makes them look a whole lot better, you know. Since I haven't been getting sleep, so it makes me look like I'm awake. Put some on this side. Massage it in my eye. Next, I'm going to use the TATCHA Luminous Dewy Skin Night Concentrate. You're supposed to use this at night, but by the time I get off, that's when time I go to bed, and I'm just gonna put it back on. Massage that in my face. Put something right there, right there. Yeah, that's really it. That's really all I've been doing for my skincare. A lot of people have been saying that my skin has looked really clear, you know, from acne, not like scars or anything, you know. Like, now I'm starting to work on my scars to get rid of those. As you can see, I have a lot of scars here. I have some scars here. And then that's really it. And I have dark marks right here. But if you have, I have coffee on my boobies. If you have any like DIY scar recipes that can help me get rid of my scars, please comment down below. And I'm sorry about the wait. Been busy trying to make moolah, some money, so I can get a whole bunch of stuff. I broke my tripods. Right now I'm holding my phone. Well, I didn't break my tripod. My sister broke my tripod. What's this? Was that there before? I don't even know. But my sister, she broke my tripod. Okay, she broke the part that holds my phone off first. And then we were like fighting, go play fighting. And then and then she landed on it right here and it broke the legs. So now I have to buy me a new tripod and get me some more lights and a new backdrop. Well, basically a new blanket. And so yeah, I love all y'all. Make sure y'all are praying, bring your Bible, and make sure to stay peachy in this cold world, because people crazy nowadays. You can't let nobody get to you. But I love all you guys, and have a blessed day.